The beautiful charm of the Sekumpul Buleleng waterfall attraction is enough to attract tourists to be closer, even so that they can be in direct contact with the mountain water. From a distance you can see a collection of waterfalls. There are at least 7 waterfalls, of which 2 are Sekumpul waterfalls, 3 Fiji waterfalls and 2 more have not been named. The location is quite hidden and access to the waterfall requires extra effort, so that it becomes a fun trekking adventure trip and recreation. The surrounding nature is still beautiful and natural. The natural panorama of the hills combined with the beauty of the waterfall really becomes a tourist charm that you must visit when on vacation to North Bali. Sekumpul Waterfall itself is actually located in Balimuka village, Buleleng Regency. To go to the natural recreation area of Sekumpul Waterfall, from Denpasar city it takes 2.5 hours to drive. The distance is quite far, so you feel more comfortable. You can also rent a car in Bali with a driver.